Hello friends and viewers, welcome you all to your channel Big Bull Trading. Today in this video I will show you after you buy a share how you can use to put the stop loss and the target both in the system at one time. If you are doing the intraday trading with the stop loss is mandatory, and the stop loss should always be put in the system, not on your mind. Normally if you are putting the stop loss, sometimes you get the target which is one spike it make, again it falls down. So because of the stop loss you cannot put the order also, instantly you cannot place. So in this video you can put the stop loss and target both in the system. And for this technique I am using the Fires. Fires is one of the best trading platform for putting this type of orders. Okay, and the view they are using is the trading view. And one more announcement I will make. As of now, Fires is making free account. You can see here they are giving the free accounts for lifetime, no AMC charges is there, and they are also having a 30 days challenge. If you win in 30 days continuous, if you are profitable, they will refund you all the brokerage also. As of now the offer is there. This is a limited period offer. So now we will go to the stock and show you. If you want to select the stock, any stock you can select. For example, you want to select the Canara Bank, so just you write on the system, it will show Canara Bank. So this price comes like that. If you want to use any other bank, for example IDFC, you put IDFC, click it, and the stock comes here. So now I will show you how to buy first and how to put the stop loss and the target both. You can see here you can directly buy or sell in the Fires from the trading chart only. As you can see here, this is for the buy and this is for the sell. We will show you by buying, so we will put the buy bottom. After you open the buy bottom, you can see the stock name, the current price, what it is going on. If you want to buy, this is buy. If you want to sell, this is sell. We will be buying, so put it on the buy side. This is the normal regular buy what we are doing for only buying. After that you can separately put the target. But if you want buy, target, stop loss, all three in a single order, you can go for this option, BO. This is the bracket order. This is the best system what you can use in the Fires, and in one system only you can do this order. So now we will show how you can use this order. We want to buy the share at the market price, so this is the market. For stop loss, what is your stop loss amount? For example, now the current trading price is 52, so you want at 50, so you want to put 2 rupees stop loss. Just put it 2 here, and here also you put what is your stop loss amount. For example, you want to put the take the profit on 54, so now you buy at 50, so you put the amount. Basically you have to put the amount here, not the trading price. How much points you want stop loss and how much profit you want to put it here. And here you can put the quantity, how much quantity you want, if you want 100 or 1, anything. Now I will show you with the 1. So first go to the bracket order, then if you want to buy the share at the market price, go the market price, then you put the stop loss. This should be the points, how many rupees or stop loss you want to put it there, and the take profit also the same. Once you put it, we will go to the buy bottom. See, the order is executed for us, so we buy one share here. Okay, so we will see here the order is already placed in the system. So if we squeeze it, we can see the target and the stop loss. You see, once you buy, instantly the sell, the stop loss, both are in the system together. If you want to, for example, you put 50, now you feel no, I want the stop loss as 51, so you just put your mouse here and drag it to 51. Once you do it, here they will give you the modify bottom, you put the modify. So now your stop loss is at this range. Now you feel no, I want the target at 52.50. So what you do, you just hold this and put it at this level. 52.40 for example, and you just put it and you put modify. So now you see the stop loss and the target are both in the system together. Once any order is executed, the other side the order will be automatically hit out and it will be cancelled. For example, you feel I want to put the target as 52.20, so you put it here and you will modify it. So if it comes at 52.20, we will see the order is automatically executed and the other stop loss will be automatically cancelled in this order. By doing this type, your order will be at a much easier way of doing. And if you want friends to open the free account, as I told you, it's a limited period, you can free open the account. In the description box I give the link. As I will prove this one also close to 52.5 paisa the stop loss, so any side it will hit very fast, and you can see how the process is working for this. So you can see now friends, as it goes down my order is executed, and once the order is executed the other target also get cancelled out. This is a very good thing what you can do in the fires. And after you finish the order, you can go in the dashboard, you can check all the positions of the trades what you have taken. For example, you can see here, this is the buy, this is the sell. We buy at 52.15, we sell at 52.5, so we make a loss of 10 paisa in this. This is just to show you, but you can see in the system that once the order is punched out, the order gets automatically cancelled. So friends, if you like this video, you can share to our channel to the others, and you can also be a member of our channel by subscribing. And if you want to make the free account, you can open the free account with us. Thank you for now, today, as of now, bye bye.